Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to set up your HP ScanJet Pro 3000 S4 sheet feed scanner step by step. We'll go from unboxing the scanner to connecting the power, installing the drivers, and finally scanning your first document successfully. So stay with me until the end to complete your scanner setup quickly and correctly. Let's get started. Step 1. First, place the scanner on a flat and stable surface. Make sure the location is well ventilated, dust-free, away from direct sunlight, and within a temperature range of 15 to 30 degrees Celsius. Proper placement helps improve scanning performance and increases device life. Step 2. Now, carefully remove the scanner from the box. Inside the package, you will find the HP ScanJet Pro 3000 S4 scanner, power adapter, power cable, USB cable, setup documentation. Remove all protective tapes, plastic covers, and packaging material from inside and outside the scanner. This prepares the scanner for safe operation. Step 3. Now, connect the power adapter to the scanner. Then, plug the power cable into a wall outlet or surge protector. Always use the original HP power adapter provided with the scanner to avoid damage. After connecting the power cable, press the power button to turn the scanner on. Wait until the green LED indicator becomes stable. Step 4. Now, it's time to connect your scanner to your computer. Important note for Windows users: do not connect the USB cable yet. You will connect it only when the installer asks during software setup. If you are using Mac OS, you can connect the USB cable now. Step 5. Now, open your browser and go to www.hp.com/support. Then, select Software and Drivers. Search for HP ScanJet Pro 3000 S4. Download the latest driver package. Open the downloaded file and start installation. Follow the instructions shown on your screen. When prompted, choose your connection type. Select USB connection, then connect the USB cable if the installer asks. Continue until installation completes successfully. Now, lift the document input tray. Adjust the paper guides according to the paper width. Insert your documents neatly into the automatic document feeder. Make sure pages are aligned properly to avoid paper jams. Step 7. Open HP Scan software on your computer. Select your scanner from the device list. Choose scan type: PDF, JPEG, searchable PDF, or editable text format. Click Scan. Your first document will now be scanned successfully. Step 8. If your scanner is not detected during setup, restart your scanner, restart your computer, reconnect the USB cable, reinstall the HP Scan software, then try scanning again. This solves most setup problems quickly. And that's it. Your HP ScanJet Pro 3000 S4 scanner is now ready to use. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more printer and scanner setup tutorials. If you still face any problem during installation or scanning, you can contact our support team. We'll be happy to help you. Thanks for watching.